The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD chassis delivers unmatched power and versatility, ready to tackle any job with ease. Featuring a Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel for robust towing capabilities and an automatic rear-locking differential for enhanced traction on challenging terrains, Step inside to enjoy a premium audio system for immersive sound and turn-by-turn navigation for stress-free guided journeys every time. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD.